Potatoes can be cooked in various ways. You can cook potato soup, you can roast potato, you can bake potato. And today we are going to make potatoes with chicken all in one pan. So we are going to roast them. So join in as we enjoy this. Here we have potato wedges. We've cut them in a wedge style. Then we have chicken steak. And here I have chicken, which most of it is boneless, but I have few bones here. No worry to go, but we're going to bake them. Then I'll add what do you call this, guys? Onion and other spices. So join me as we do this. So now we start by marinating our potato and also chicken. We marinate. So we go in with our different spices. We have several spices. So to tell you what I've put turmeric. Here is turmeric, cayenne, American barbecue, peri peri, and Italian spice. So you dig it with your hand like this. Yeah. Make sure you get the perfect, but give me the magic cube, of course, for nice flavors. Then you go in with your oil and salt. Marinate. So nice, guys. So this you're going to cover and keep it for 1 hour for it to marinate. I'll put it in my fridge. So we continue with our marination, guys. So we go in with our spices. Like that. Wow, so nice. We marinate our chicken with our cube. I've used the same spices. Cajun, American barbecue, Italian spice, and peri peri, and of course turmeric. So look at that. You also keep it for the spices to infuse for about 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let me add some salt. Yeah, so we keep it in the fridge, give it time to marinate. So now, guys, we oil our green pan and our green plate. Make sure you oil it properly, all sides, so that you don't burn whatever you are cooking. That is nice. Then we go in with our meat, with our chicken. This is after 1 hour, guys. So nice. Then look at our potatoes, guys. Look at that. So they are well marinated. So nice. So we put also all that. Okay. That's so nice, looking so nice. Then we sprinkle onions on top. Ah, so nice, guys. Then later, of course, we have to add some oil. We want to oil them so that they are not dry as we bake them, as we roast them. But it's enough. Already looking juicy, guys. Already looking yummy, yummy. That's 20 minutes will be okay. So let's close. Wow, guys, so nice. So nice, guys. So nice, so nice, so nice. Well cooked. So nice. So nice. Look. So nice. The flavors, guys, so nice. So we are going to serve it and serve it with sauce. Today I'm just going to use just tomato sauce. But the delicacy, this one, you can serve your kids as a snack. You can serve as a whole meal. So nice. So until next time, guys, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Until next time, adios, amigos. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. So you serve it like that. So nice, guys. Such a nice delicacy, guys. We served with sauce, tomato sauce, and hot and sweet. Let me taste and tell you the feeling, guys. So nice. Add the potato is outside and tender, very soft inside. So nice. Let's try the meat, the chicken. Very juicy. So nice, guys. So let us enjoy.
No. Okay. Because you're wrong. You think that